Hello friends, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we are going to write 10-line essay on the state Himachal Pradesh. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. First line, Himachal Pradesh is a state in northern India. Second line is, this state is abundant in natural beauty. Next line is, it was anciently known as Dev Bhumi, which means the abode of gods. Fourth line is, the literal meaning of Himachal Pradesh is region of snowy mountains. Fifth line is, this state has two capitals which differ according to the season. Next line, that is line number 6 is, Dharamshala is its capital during winter and Shimla is its capital during summer. Line number 7 is, it is the least corrupt state in India after Kerala. Line number 8 is, agriculture is the main occupation of this state. Line number 9, farming is done here by making terraced fields. Last line is, this state is recognized in one of the beautiful state of India.